Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is I.G.K. Dear students, now look at the board and see. Term Annual 21, Class Junior 1, Subject Islam, Topic I.G.K 7 to 9, Lecture number 9 and SW also 9. Teacher Mokter Hossain. This is my mobile number and today's date. Dear students, let's start our today's topic I.G.K 7 to 9. I hope all of you know that I.G.K means Islamic general knowledge. As a Muslim, we should have the knowledge of Islam and about the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and his parents' name and his grandfather. Okay, let's start. I.G.K number 7. What is the mother's name of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? And the answer is Amina. Dear students, Amina spelling can be written in two types. Number one, Amina, A-M-I-N-A-H, and another one is A-M-I-N-A, Amina. You can write anyone because both spelling are correct. Number 8, what is the father's name of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? And the answer is Abdullah, A-B-D-U-L-L-A-H, Abdullah. Number 9, how many surahs are there in the Holy Quran? And the answer is 114. Dear students, you know that the Holy Quran is the best holy book in this world and it has 114 surahs. Now, lecture number 9, SW number 9, and SW topic will be I.G.K 7 to 9. Dear students, if you don't understand any topics, you can contact with me. That's all for today. I hope all of you understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again, inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.